Did you know that 91% of businesses use social media for marketing purposes? That's almost every business out there, from small local shops to massive global brands. This staggering statistics shows just how crucial social media has become in today's digital world. And guess what? Companies are actively looking for people like you to manage their social media accounts and help them connect with their audience. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn this demand into a lucrative career. Social media has evolved from something we use to stay connected with friends and family to a powerful tool that businesses use to market their products and services. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through Instagram and tweeting your thoughts, you've already got a head start. Today, we're talking about how you can get paid to manage social media for companies. Whether you are looking to switch careers, start a side hustle, or just want to make the most of your online time, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. Social media management has grown from a casual hobby into a full-fledged career. Companies are no longer just looking for someone who can post cute cat videos. They need professionals who understand how to build a brand, engage with customers, and drive sales through social media. This is where you come in. With the right skills, you can help businesses grow their online presence and get paid handsomely for it. So, what does it take to succeed as a social media manager? Let's break down the essential skills you will need. The first one is content creation. First up is content creation. This is the heart and soul of social media management. You need to know how to craft compelling posts that grab attention, create eye-catching visuals, and produce engaging videos that resonate with your audience. Each platform has its own style. What works on Instagram might not work on LinkedIn. So it's important to understand the unique vibe of each one. Start by practicing content creation on your own social media accounts or volunteer to manage accounts for local businesses or non-profits. This will give you hands-on experience and help you build a portfolio of your work. Next, let's talk about analytics and strategy. Posting content is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly excel, you need to use data to drive your decisions. This means analyzing metrics like engagement rates, click-through rates, and follower growth to see what's working and what's not. Based on this data, you can tweak your strategy, try new approaches, and keep your content fresh and effective. Familiarize yourself with tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and Hootsuite Analytics. These tools will help you track performance and make data-driven decisions that can significantly improve your results. Social media is often the front line for customer interactions, whether it's answering questions, addressing complaints, or just thanking someone for a shout out. You need to be responsive, professional, and personable. Good customer service on social media can turn a casual follower into a loyal customer, and it's an essential part of managing a brand's online presence. Develop a consistent voice and tone for your responses that aligns with the brand you're representing. This helps build a strong, trustworthy brand image and ensures customers feel heard and valued. The social media landscapes changes rapidly. One minute everyone's on Facebook, the next they are on TikTok. To be successful, you need to stay current with new features, algorithm updates, and emerging platforms. Being adaptable and quick to learn is key to keeping your clients ahead of the curve. Follow industry blogs, join social media groups, and subscribe to newsletters from platforms like Social Media Examiner and HubSpot to stay informed about the latest trends and updates. Building your skill sets. Now that you know the essential skills, let's talk about how to build them. Here's how you can get started. Number one, take online courses. Start by taking online courses in social media marketing and analytics. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer comprehensive courses that can teach you everything from the basics to advanced strategies. This is a great way to build a strong foundation and gain confidence in your ability. Number two is practice creating content. Practice makes perfect, especially when it comes to content creation. Use your own social media accounts as a testing ground. Experiment with different types of content, posting times, and engagement strategies. See what works and what doesn't, and refine your approach as you go. Number three is where you volunteer for local businesses or nonprofits. One of the best ways to gain real world experience is by volunteering to manage social accounts for local businesses or nonprofits. Not only will this give you valuable hands on experience, but it will also help you build a portfolio of work that you can show to potential clients and employers. Number four is where you stay informed. Finally, make sure you stay informed. The world of social media is always evolving, and the best social media managers are those who stay ahead of the trends. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and connect to other professionals in the field. The more you know, the better you will be able to serve your clients. Let me share a quick success story to inspire you. Consider Sarah. She started out managing Instagram accounts for a few small local businesses as a hobby. She honed her skills in content creation, learned how to engage with her audience effectively, and kept up with the latest trends. Within a year, she landed a position with a major brand. Her work doubled their follower count and significantly increased customer engagement rates. What started as a hobby turned into a full-fledged career, and she's now earning well over $80,000 a year. Sarah's success didn't happen overnight. It was the result of consistent effort, continuous learning, and a willingness to take on new challenges. If she can do it, so can you. Now let's talk about money. As a social media manager, you can earn a competitive salary while enjoying a flexible and creative career. Entry level positions often start around $40,000 per year. But with experience and a strong portfolio, you can quickly move up the ranks. Experienced social media managers can earn well over $100,000 annually, especially if you work with big brands or in demand industries. To maximize your earning potential, consider offering additional services like paid social media advertising or influencer marketing. These specialized skills are in high demand and can significantly increase your income. Social media management offers an exciting opportunity to turn your online survey into a rewarding career. Whether you're looking to start small and grow or you're ready to dive in full time, the demand for skilled social media managers is only going to increase. With the right skills and dedication, you can help businesses thrive in the digital age while building a fulfilling professional path for yourself. Have you ever managed social media accounts professionally? Share your experience or questions in the comments below. And if you're ready to leap into social media management, don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights on building a successful career in this field. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.